How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create buffer zones around points, lines, and polygons in QGIS. Now let's get started by first creating the polygon layer. So I'm going to select the OpenStreetMap. Let's click on layer, create layer, add a new shapefile, and the most important thing right here is to create your polygon layer. These steps are going to be the same for something like lines or points. And then let's name this layer into something like polygon buffer layer. Let's click on OK. And then, of course, we want to enable edit. You now want to add your polygon. So in my case, I'm going to simply add it this way. And to finally add our own buffer zone, you want to navigate through vector, the geoprocessing tools, and then we have the buffer option. You want to make sure that you have selected the right input layer. So in my case, we have the polygon buffer layer, and it's going to be the distance that you want to implement onto your layer. So in my case, let's go ahead and just leave it this at default, which is going to be 10. And then, of course, you have some additional options like the end cap size, the joint size, and more. Let's just click on run, and then it will apply the buffer zone right here. Now it's extremely big because I believe I've changed the sizing of my layer right here. So let's just go ahead and edit out the buffer zone by simply clicking on it, and maybe let's lower down the opacity a bit and changing the colors right here. Of course, you could change this to whatever you want to. So let's just click on apply, click on OK, and now we have this buffer zone right here. You can simply edit this out on your layers, and from there you are good to go. Once again, you could just customize your buffer zone to whatever you want to, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.